Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
My 1 o'clock p.m. shift, and then first thing I get is an angry Nancy up my face, going on about how I dared to keep one extra person last night, since it wasn't that busy, and that no overstock was prepared, and that nothing was ready for morning when she came in, and there was only like 12 orders in the entire night. Realistically, it was more like 96, but sure, Nancy. Somehow that one really got to me, but I still kept my composure.
Run to do whatever they want, especially in places like Portland. In fact, there's another video that I can't even play because it's one cuss word after another. You wouldn't be able to hear anything. There's another video out of Portland of Antifa, militants out in the street with guns, stopping traffic. And a guy gets out of his car and he pulls his own gun to defend himself because he's got these whack jobs pointing guns at him, and they mob him and assault him and take him down. And this is being filmed. No police officer in sight. They're able to do this. In Port.
I was too close, or you were too close?
You close by me, I didn't see.
Okay.
Yeah.
How can we solve this now?
But you should have just wait behind me because it's not like I wanted to.
But we should always remember that the fraudulence,
By the way, I'd like to be on the show.
Yeah, we'd love to have you on the show.
Look, I'd ask.
I would absolutely have to.
You look great.
Yeah, for
71-year-old.
Oh shit! Hey Siri, call me.
Yeah, I guess you're just coming on out, asshole. Yeah, come on over, kid. Jesus Christ. What the hell? Jesus Christ!
Call 911.
It does it right away. Good thing I was paying attention.
Guess if you ever have any big friends come visit.
In 1/4 mile, make a slight
You gotta
right
tell
turn
them
onto I-75 south towards Naples.
That's not a lane. The guy pulled over, man. He better. I'm not running off the road.
Yeah.
Thinking this is going to be my day. I'm going to be the one that gets healed today. He was passionate. He had this enthusiasm.
An idiot!
But a month went by and it didn't happen. He gets a little bit discouraged. And then